What up, my kings and queens, my dragonflies, my beautiful people? Welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jai. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and wonderful stuff if you're new. And also check out my music down below. This is a new series of mine that I'm going to be watching, and this is the Ring Doorbell. This is the channel. This is Doorbell News. Yeah, so shout out to the lady, this is her. And yeah, this is, she stole my doorbell and drove off. Caught on camera, Ring Doorbell. I don't know much about Ring Doorbell, but I'm thinking it has a ring. I mean, not a ring, a ring, a tracking device. So, girl, what is wrong with you? So, sit back, relax, and let's watch.
You are now watching Doorbell News. Wow.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Got a ring doorbell in this hand. You got a nice grill on the head.
This narrator.
A woman takes someone's ring doorbell and walks off.
I ain't playing.
Crazy person. Just ratchet.
I took her ring doorbell. Don't want to answer the door.
Hold that thought. I had to put my screen down soon because I couldn't see.
Hey. I know you see me. Come get this nigga.
Warren,
They probably
Michigan.
had a tracking device.
A man walks up to a house. He says he's looking for a guy named Tim, but there's no Tim that lives there.
I help you. Oh, hi. I was just wanted to talk to the homeowner.
Yes, that's me. Can I help you?
Understand it was Tim.
No, I am the new homeowner.
No Tim here, buddy. Get lost.
I'm
No,
the
Tim.
new homeowner.
Yes, can I
I'm
help
trying
you?
to. I'm looking for Tim.
There's no
There
Tim
is
there.
nobody there by that name.
Thank you. Nobody here? You sure about
There-
that? Okay. Thank you. Let's go.
Los Angeles, California.
Hmm.
A woman
Weird.
lets her teenage son drive her car.
Oh!
Oops.
Just happened. 7 crackhead, the teenage driver. His mom as a passenger. They let them drive away. He was going too fast, thank God. There were no people injured. Look at that.
Teenage son drive her car.
He not looking? Damn.
Oops.
Even a dog trying to catch the teeth. Look at the dog. Is everybody alright? Thank God I know it was hurt, but he should have been looking back.
Thanks to one of the viewers. He said to check out Sheboygan. Yeah. Same thing going on in every city. A woman tries to open someone's door and she creeps off.
Looks good to see them.
Las Vegas, Nevada. I don't know if this is some type of TikTok challenge going or something, but you got guys running around kicking people's doors in and running off. This isn't funny.
Got your whole face in the camera.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin. A creep comes out someone's backyard and then flirts with a woman's daughter.
No, this is my house. I know.
Yet the guy continues to come through my yard after being asked several times not to. He also kept coming onto my.
Real man there. You got man?
She's under 18, buddy. Get lost.
Period. Styling treatment, sassy attitude. Period. She better know what's up. I know. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Sheboygan. Woman's daughter.
house? No, this my house. I be searching for the yard. I know. Don't shoot.
Bye bye, be gone, sir.
Where man at? You got man?
She's under 18, buddy. Get lost. It's your boy in Wisconsin. Check this guy out. Where's your jacket at, buddy? Wrong house. Yeah.
What the
Get
hell?
lost.
I'm drunk.
Los Angeles, California.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got an early trick-or-treater here. Except this lady's trick-or-treating for Mel instead of candy.
See, that's why I live in LA also. We have like, they can just, the male people can just be on the slide. And
No, you don't have to steal it.
so therefore it'll just come in.
Yeah, take it.
So
Don't
it's,
come steal it.
it's
A lady catches a
impossible
porch
to
fire
steal.
stealing some water. She says you can just have it. You don't have to steal water from me, scumbag. Get lost. All you gotta do is ask. People just give you water. Denver, Colorado. Check her out.
That's why when it comes to like mail and all that, say if you get a check, say if you like cash it in, you should at least have some type of identification and like two types of identification. If you're cashing it in on the phone, you know, deposit, give me a social number.
She just stole someone's license plate. Now she's stealing someone's mail.
Girl.
Yeah.
If I told you for $1 down, I could get you into Apple laptop, gaming PC, camera, or any of the accessories, only for $1. Here at Maxstar Computers, located here in Anaheim, California, we do.
Give it to me, baby. Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Denver, Colorado. A lot of tweaky activity going on at late night out there in Denver. It's 3 in the morning. This guy looks like he's running away from somebody or something. He rings the homeowner's doorbell, but they don't answer, as they should.
They sleeping.
Yeah. Looks like he's up to no good.
Yeah, hiding somebody. He hiding. Poor man.
San Francisco,
San
California.
Francisco. What the?
Las Vegas, Nevada. This guy walks up with like a big old blanket over his head. He's creeping around till the homeowner catches him on his Ring doorbell. What do you want?
Can I help you?
Help these people, please.
You're trespassing. You need to get off my property.
Me
You're
too.
trespassing. You need to get off my property.
Seattle, Washington. Looks like she's getting ready for Christmas. Looks like she took some sneakers, a couple pairs of sneakers, and then she grabbed a big box. Oh, there goes Santa Claus in his big red truck. Yeah, they're getting ready for Christmas, all right. Seattle, Washington. This guy seems to be upset about something. I think the neighbor's dog has been using his yard to...
See, and when it comes to packages, I was saying it could be like a code, like a safe, and only have that code, but people can easily break it in, but it should be some type of something.
No, ticket number 2. He's pissed off about it. Yeah.
Yeah. I need to talk to the owner of this place.
Cause the what? The 3-pound doodle. Oh, he mad.
Yeah.
Yes. I need to talk to the owner of this place. Whoever it is.
Yeah. That new Halloween episode is coming. Most of the good stuff happens after the 31st.
Say after 31st.
You need to answer the door, whoever lives here.
Make sure you like this video. And make sure you subscribe. Keep lost.
Get lost. Oh, my bad. Get lost. Go home.
Who is this motherfucker? Don't want to answer the goddamn.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
I don't want to talk to you. That's what it's not answering.
If a thief breaks in.
I don't want to talk to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Doorbell, camera, ring. People are cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, okay? They need some help, some psychological help, some mental health, all that. You know? So that was Doorbell News. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, comment, subscribe. Have the most awesome, positive day. Stay grateful, stay blessed. Until next time, you guys.
Every day I feel free, living lively.